so much garbage, so much garbage. Anyways, today we're looking at this. We actually reviewed their leather wallets before, which I actually really like, and I use that when it's classy day, because I don't usually use a leather case, but for those days where I'm, dressing to impress, which doesn't happen very often, I'll bring those cases out for sure. But I do like a lot of times when you get the opportunity, especially this one, because these are the magnetic wallets, and I do like sometimes, again, when I'm going out somewhere and there's only a couple cards that I need to take with me, and I don't want to bring my big bulky wallet, sometimes having something like this can be really nice. This one is leather, which is cool. Now, the one thing to realize, black, blue, Monaco blue, and tan. Now, the one thing that I kind of wish that they would do, and maybe it's just difficult, I don't know. It would be nice because this blue went really well with the iPhone 13, which if you have an iPhone 13, awesome for you. But I wish that they would make or bring out maybe a purple one, because the new iPhone 14 is purple, which is what I have. Even though I have just a case on it right now. When it's not in the case, that could be really nice, right? Anyways, let's take a look at this little guy, and we'll see what we think. Okay, so first off, easy access 3-card pocket. So just realize it's not going to carry a whole bunch of cards. For me, if I'm going out, usually driver's license, bank card or credit card, and my healthcare card, just in case something goes wrong. You never know, right? So those are the 3 cards that I would choose. You got 3 cards to put in there. Holds 1 to 3 cards securely. Magsafe compatible. Good. Veg tanned leather, ages beautifully. Silicone straps for slip resistance. Oh, that's nice. Access from top, base, or back. 2-year warranty. Okay, I'm down. This is the blue. I like that even this. So I think on the last one I had read, yeah, even this strap is like recycled, which is kind of cool. So here's the one thing that I talk about with especially like your wallet, right, that you're going to put on here. If you have any of the iPhones that have MagSafe, which is kind of what this is for, and you have a case that doesn't have the little magnetic strip in it, like the extra magnet in the case, like this has the extra magnet in the case. I have one over here somewhere. For instance, here's another one, right? This one has the magnetic in the case. You got to realize when you're going to put your wallet on a phone that doesn't have this, there's distance between the magnet, which means the magnet becomes less sticky. It doesn't have that same amount of grip to it that it normally would. So if you are, and this is my personal opinion, if you are going to be using something like this, either be really aware or get yourself a case that has the magnet in it, because that's just going to help. Anyway, here you go. Well, that's a nice blue. That's nice. I like that, actually. Yeah, that's nice. There's see the little grips that they have on there? I like that. Oh yes, and it's nothing, it's not crazy. It's got a little push area in the bottom to get your cards up, which is good. This on the back, I'm guessing if you popped it off, you could use that to slide up as well if you just got it off there, right? And that's kind of where it sits. It just sits on there like that, right? Is it crazy strong? No, it's strong enough, right? Like if you try to slide it, you can. So this is the other thing, right? When you're using a wallet, like a MagSafe wallet, which is cool, I always just realize, like, when you're sticking it in your pocket, get in the habit of kind of like getting your fingers there just to help guide it, because if not, like, your pocket's going to hit this and push it off, right? I like the fact, like, this is not a lot smaller. Well, no, it is smaller. It's kind of the same concept of my just normal wallet, which is just a sleeve to put cards in. Now that one's considerably thicker, which I wouldn't want like this. But if you're trying to be very minimalist, and you only have a couple cards, even if this by itself is kind of just a nice wallet for cards for whatever. Maybe you're going out for the night, right? And you just need ID, and this is perfect instead of me taking my big chunky wallet with me. So, and it sticks there, which is kind of nice too. Again, just realize like it's there, it's great. You know where it is. Just realize it's not on there permanently, right? It's not hard for this to come off, so just kind of be aware of that. But it's nice looking. Seems like it's made well. It's decent. Looks like it has like, see it, like a decent, good stitching, right? The stitching seems decent right there, and I do like that it has these grippy things on the bottom, and that is definitely what's helping it, you know, when it's on there, from sliding up and down for sure. That's definitely what's gripping on it. All right, guys. These 65 bucks Canadian right now. For leather, I'd say that's a decent price. Just realize you're paying a little bit more because it is leather. But if it's something that you want because you're looking at that at being classy, could be a cool option. And these guys make some really nice gear. So I don't know how to pronounce it. MUJJO. Doesn't matter. I'll put links to their website down below. They make nice stuff. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave you there. If you've used their products, let me know your thoughts on it down in the comments. If not, what are you rocking right now? You know, curious. And that's it. Links down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the little notification bell, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, I'm out. Later.